Ceridian Dayforce is a comprehensive human capital management platform designed to manage various HR functions such as payroll, benefits, time tracking, and talent management. Here's a guide on how to use Ceridian Dayforce effectively. Accessing Ceridian Dayforce. Log in. Navigate to the Ceridian Dayforce login page. Enter your username and password, or use your single sign-on credentials if configured. If it's your first time using the platform, you may need to set up a profile by entering personal details such as name, position, and contact information. Managing time and attendance. Time tracking. Track hours worked, approve or reject time off requests, and manage employee schedules. You can review shifts, breaks, and clock-ins or clock-outs in the time or attendance section. Time off requests. Submit and manage time off requests directly from the platform, which will require approval from supervisors or HR. Handling payroll and compensation. Payroll management. Process employee pay runs by managing pay cycles, deductions, bonuses, and other compensation. Ceridian Dayforce integrates directly with tax systems for seamless payroll processing. Benefits administration. Enroll in and manage benefits, including health insurance, retirement plans, and wellness programs. Managing HR and employee records. Employee records. View and edit employee profiles, including contact information, job roles, performance reviews, and employment history. Performance and reviews. Schedule and manage employee reviews, goals, and development plans through the system. Using analytics and reporting. Analytics and reporting. Utilize built-in reporting tools to generate customized reports on payroll, benefits, time tracking, and other HR data. This helps in making data-driven HR decisions. Learning and development. Training and development. Track training programs, certifications, and learning activities, ensuring employees meet compliance and personal development goals through Dayforce Learning. Mobile access. Ceridian Dayforce offers mobile access, enabling employees and managers to view and manage HR functions such as time off, paychecks, and benefits directly from their mobile devices.